What is going on, guys? It is your boy K Bryson Moneymaker. I know I didn't upload any videos recently, but that's because I was busy. Anyway, just wanted to show you a short gameplay. I think it was only like 6 minutes and 13 seconds. Just fooling around in Watch Dogs 2. It's a pretty cool game. I think it's actually better than GTA 5. Some free mode chaos going on. And sorry if it's shaky. I only have a phone to do this. For some reason it wouldn't upload on my PS4. So I gotta do it this way. But anyway, guys, let's try to get to 50,000 likes or 50 likes. Let's go to 50 likes. See how much I can last for.
What? I'm gonna make Thai mian. Oh yeah, I got the chicken. I'm gonna make Thai mian though. Fried Thai mian. Go fry some Thai mian.
Sorry for the background noise, guys. Right here I had to use the bathroom, so I went up here, knocked out this guy. I'm just gonna cut it right there, guys. And as always, please favorite, like, and subscribe. Until the next time, guys, I'm out.